show this morning, you will know that I've been on the hunt for this guy.
So we have to get to what extreme measure.
What?
And then boy, you have to get
Tell him again.
boy, get like that, that's how I treasure. What?
And through the power of radio and the internet, we've only gone and found him. Hello, Extreme. How you doing?
Good morning to all them people, you know?
This is amazing. I woke up this morning hoping that I would find you, and somehow in the space of about 30 minutes, we have found you. Have you been getting a lot of attention from this video that has gone viral in the last few days?
Yeah, man, holy for attention, man. Everybody loves the video, yeah.
Because you don't look like you sound. We've developed the analogy that it's like a cat barking or a dog meowing, because you don't look like your voice. Do you get that a lot?
But that's a good thing about it, because it's the element of surprise, you know?
That's what I'm saying. Your Jamaican accent is very on point. What do you usually sound like when you're not extreme?
No, man, me's always extreme, man. Me not really talk English. I be a Jamaican, me talk.
24/7.
Even to my mother and my sister, them, everybody will know me as straight Jamaican.
What's your real name, though?
Shane.
Shane. I love that your real name is Shane. And are you from Birmingham, Shane?
No, you know, say Nottingham, my born still.
Nottingham.
Yeah, but I grew up in a Birmingham from me about 3 or 4. I left Nottingham and come to Birmingham when I was a little picnic.
This is incredible. So when did you first start performing like dancehall music?
Well, from me was quite a young age still, you know, because I talk like Jamaican from me about 6 or 7. I started talk patois. And I grew up around here all my life, so I kind of had to dance from a little youth still, but I never really get in it till I reach about 15, 16, and I start writing music, and then I start perform about a year and a half ago.
Because you sound like you eat rice and peas every day.
So like me eat rice and peas every day.
Every day, curry goat every day, sorrel every night. You don't eat fish fingers, do you, Shane?
No, sir, I don't know what kind of barbecue fish finger them at all.
Alright, we have to actually get you in the studio. I've been speaking to Shawnee B, and he's trying to get you on the show this Thursday. Are you up for it?
Yeah, man. Anytime I know I'm rolling for the show, man. Enough love and respect for one extra, and Shawnee B, you done know.
Alright, we're going to get you on. Can we quickly hear from Shane? I just want to hear what you sounded like before you started talking patois.
Well, before I started speaking patois, I sounded like a full-on brummie, didn't I?
Yes, Extreme! We're getting you on, alright? We'll see you soon.
Alright then. Bless up on yourself, yeah?
Alright, take care, man.